When you are looking for a unique wind sculpture that will bring the motion of light into your garden, Delphinium is the perfect choice. The Delphinium wind sculpture resembles the delphinium flower, which symbolizes cheerfulness and goodwill. The Delphinium is 68 inches or 175 centimeters tall. It consists of 28 semispheres and 7 layers that can be rotated in any direction, so you can apply 3 motion patterns to the sculpture. The Delphinium comes with 2 types of installation. You can install the sculpture on a stand or hang it from a roof, cornice, or tree. You can easily switch between these 2 types of installation or relocate the sculpture to a new location at any time. Delicately designed and balanced, Delphinium spins with the slightest breeze. You will love the fluidity of its mesmerizing movements. IlVento Sculptures, the magical dance of the wind and light in your garden.